Hey y'all, hey, Tanisha here, coming to you guys with a quick unboxing video of products that I received. So this is from Figures in Motion, all right? So let's go ahead and guys, I'm so excited to share with you the products that I received from Figures in Motion. I chose the famous figures of the Civil War, and I am really excited because I have never received a product. I've never heard of this company before. So let's see what they sent me. Everything came in a priority mail envelope, and when I reached in there, I was like, wait a minute, it's more than a book. So I'm gonna pull the stuff out and let's see what I got. All right, guys, so the first thing that I pulled out was this nice hole punch, okay? Cute green handle, looks like it's good quality, and you can never have enough hole punches, okay? The way that my children go through and tear stuff up around here, I could definitely use a new hole punch, so that's cool. This looks like a little bookmark that just has some information about the company, an example of what Figures in Motion is. So it looks like it's paper dolls, and then this one has details about Clara Burton on the back, so... okay. You know me, I love books, so bookmark helps. Oh, this is their Figures in Motion catalog. So this has, let's see what's in here. Okay. This just has information about all the different books that they offer and just examples of what's inside of them. So from what I have gathered, then this is a paper doll book. Okay. So it has movable paper figures to cut, color, and assemble. Okay. And then this is by Kathy, and y'all know how I am about these names. Now we don't mess with names. We don't butcher names around here. Okay, so let's do like a light little flip through. As you know, if you go to www.tanishakemp.com, there you will see some information about the product and my thoughts and review how my family liked them. We're ending our school year with fun stuff. So we've done plenty of curriculum awesomeness, and I'm happy about that, but I'm ready to do some fun stuff, guys. We haven't really done a lot of that all year because of COVID. So we're going to do unit studies and go on field trips for the rest of the school year. I have announced it, and that's what we're doing for the month of April all the way in till we finish in May. Right, we're just having fun, and I'm excited about that, and my kids are too. So here I see, okay, Confederate Soldier, and this is one that you would have to color, so that's good. Okay, has some details right there. Okay, Frederick Douglass. All right, first of all, the fact that they included people of color in this book makes me very happy. So that's good. I'm always interested in people just making sure that when they're telling history, they're trying to incorporate everybody, because guess who played a part in history? Everybody did. So that's amazing as well. I think that's really, really cool that they have done that. Alrighty, so I decided to laminate it because that was a suggestion on the website to have a sturdier doll. So we are laminating everything. Alrighty, guys, so here we have the final product of our Figures in Motion. This is the Abraham Lincoln doll. So again, it has two options, one that you can color and cut out that way, and then you have the option that's already colored. Now I know that I won't be using the ones that you can color, but I do like the way that this color one came out, and I did laminate it. You saw that clip. The kids think it's so funny. They think it looks like he's over here getting his dance on. I do like the fact that he has this little hat in his hand. This was fun. Now, again, my package did not come with brads, but I keep brads because I'm such an awesome crafter, and I always teach little kids, Sunday school, stuff like that. So I keep stuff like this in my house. These are not mini brads. They are the regular brads, but they do make a smaller version of this that I know would have worked better, because sometimes whenever my kids are moving the doll, the back is coming out. So the mini ones will definitely work a lot better. But other than that, I think it works out good. I want to know how we use this for our unit study. If we ended up being able to find a field trip that we could attend to coincide with it and all that good stuff, you already know where you're going to have to go. www.tanishakemp.com. You can check the pinned comment out for that link, or you can go in the description area and find a direct link to this post. All right, guys, and don't forget, thumbs up this video if you enjoy these unboxing videos, information that I'm just giving you about these products that I received. Yeah, that's what my blogs are for. In my blogs, I give you way too many details to help you make an informed decision about whether or not you want to purchase these products, all right? So if you decide to check it out, then comment down below and let me know. Do you like paper dolls? Do you remember paper dolls? Do you think these could be effective in helping educate your children about moments in history? Comment down below and tell me what you think about this. Thank you much, guys, for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.